Now, good morning, students. Today I will start chapter 4 of class 5th, fraction. First, I will tell you what do you mean by fraction and what is fraction. So, the definition of a fraction: when we divide a whole into numbers of parts, each part is called fraction. Once again, I will tell you, when we divide a whole into numbers of parts, each part is called fraction. Means, for example, this is a one box. How many box? One box. But this is not a fraction. But when we divide, this is a whole collection. Means ये एक पूरा एक फिगर है. But in this figure, when we divide into a number of parts, whole into numbers of parts, just like this type, and all parts should be equal. So each part is called fraction. When we write this type 1/4, if this is a box, we divide into a two equal part. Two equal part means 1/2 and 1/2. This is the half and this is the half of this figure. So 1/2 is the fraction. So when we divide, जब हम किसी एक पार्ट को कई सारे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, when we divide a whole into numbers of parts, so each part is called fraction. There are so many types of fraction. In the fraction, first I will tell you here, in the fraction, this is 2/4. We read 2/4, 4/8, 9/12 and 18/24. 18 is the numerator. This is your numerator and this is your denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. And there are so many types of fraction. This first fraction is like fraction. Like fraction have same denominators, just like this type: 4/5, 3/5, 7/5, and 8/5. Here we write here some fractions: 4/5, 3/5, 7/5, 8/5. All these fractions denominators are same. So this is a like fraction. These are like fraction. If all the denominators are unequal, if all these denominators are unequal means different denominators, these are unlike fraction. These are unlike fraction. If all the denominators are equal, then this is like fraction. If all the denominators are unequal, then these are unlike fraction. Proper fraction. Now third fraction is a proper fraction. 5/8, 3/6, 7/10. Here 5/8, 3/6 and 7/10. Here look at here, in this fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator, and here also numerator is smaller than denominator. Here 7/10, numerator is smaller than denominator. These are fractions are proper fraction. If all these denominators are greater than numerator, or we can say also numerator is smaller than denominator, these fractions are called proper fraction. If your numerator is greater than denominator, if numerator is greater than denominator, then these fractions are called improper fraction. These fractions are called improper fraction. यदि आपका डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर है, then these fractions are called improper fraction. Now next is unit fraction. If your numerator is 1, if your numerator is 1, if all these fractions are numerator is 1, then these fractions are called unit fraction. If suppose 5 upon 5, this, if the denominators and the numerator is equal, then this fraction is called improper fraction. This fraction is called improper fraction. Now the exercise, we go to here, exercise 4.1. First question, write two equivalent fractions for each colored. देखिए यहां पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके बुक में लिखा है, देयर आर 4 बॉक्स, 1 2 3 4 बॉक्स, 2 boxes are shaded. So first we write in the fraction, 2 boxes are shaded, so we write 2, and total number of boxes here 1 2 3 4, so we write here 4, means 2 upon 4, and 1 is an equivalent fraction. How we find the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4, if we do the multiply both number, numerator and denominator, by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, any number, but we do the same number, we do the multiply numerator and denominator. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 4 upon 8 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 4. So we write here the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 4 equal 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 equal 4 2 is 8. Means numerator and denominator में दोनों में both number में same number का multiply करेंगे, 2 and 2. If we multiply by in numerator 2 upon 4 multiply by 3, यदि हमने न्यूमरेटर में 3 का मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 4 में भी हम 3 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, देन दिस इज योर रॉन्ग, ये हमारा रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो वी डू द सेम नंबर का हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो दिस इज 2 upon 4, द इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ 2 upon 4 is 4 upon 8. Here's question number 3. How many boxes? 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are 12 boxes. So we write down here in the denominator, in place of denominator 12, and in the numerator how many boxes are shaded? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 boxes are shaded, so we write here 9 upon 12. 9 upon 12, and the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 12, we do the multiply by 2. 9 multiplied by 2 and 12 multiplied by 2. 9 2s are 18, 12 2s are 24. Means 18 upon 24 is the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 12. Now this question is completed. Now the next question. Now dear children, question number B, complete each table of equivalent fraction. Here two tables, table A and table B. Here in this table, question is saying multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 5 and 6. So first we do the multiply by numerator by 2. After 2 numerator, we do the multiply by 2 to the denominator. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. This is your answer. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. These fractions are equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 12. These fractions are equivalent fractions of 1 upon 2. And we write here equivalent fraction of 1 upon 3. So we do the multiply by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now, now in this question number 3, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. This table is completed. In this table, we do the multiply. We do here the multiply. But in this table B, divide the numerator and denominator. हमने यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई किया. बट इन दिस टेबल वी डू हियर divide by the 2, 3, 5 and 6. So first we divide 30 by 2 equal answer is 15. We do divide 60 by 2 answer is 30. We do divide 30 by 3 equal answer is 3. 3 10s are 30 and 3 2s are 6, 3 0 0. We do the divide 6 30 by 5, 5 6 are 30 and we do the divide 60 by 5 equal answer is 12. So this same questions are we do the divide 120 by 2, 120 by 3, 120 by 5, 120 by 6. These answers are comes here 60, 40, 24 and 20. And when we divide 150 by 2, answer is 75. We divide by 3, answer is 50. We divide by 5, answer is 30, 25. Same questions. Question number 3, when we divide by 30 by 2, equal answer is 50. So this table is completed. Now the question number, next question. Now dear students, question number 3, fill in each box to make an equivalent fraction. First here, question number 3, 1 upon 4 equal dash upon 8. Means here denominator is here given here, but numerator is not given. So we find the numerator. But how we find the numerator? We look at here. 8 is the multiple of 4. 8 is the multiple of 4. 4 2s are 8 means 4 में 2 का मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है तो 8 आया है, क्योंकि 8 इस मल्टीपल है किसका? 4 का. जब इसमें 2 का मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो हम इसमें भी 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वी डू द मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. 2 1s are 2. So 2 upon 8 is the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4. 8 2s are 16. Here 8 multiplied by 2, then comes here 16. So we do the multiply by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. Here 3 5s are 15. 3 multiplied by 5, then comes here 15. So we multiply by 5, so 3 multiply by 5 equal 3. 5 1 ja 5. Now here 2 multiply by 2, then comes here 4, means 2 2 ja 4, then 7 2 ja 14. This question is completed now. Now the next time I will tell you the question number D, E and F. Now this question is solved. Okay, thank you.
वाह मस्त.